Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use R to pre-process your data. So the pre-processing it considers as a main step before doing any machine learning stuff. So sometimes you apply your algorithm, for example, decision tree or linear regression with your data and you have bad result. So one reason of that, the data is it's not handled or is not pre-processed. So sometimes there are a lot of missing values, or for let's see, it's the scale is different between the features. So you have to take care of this. So sometimes the pre-processing of your data it takes much time rather than just applying the machine learning. So let's start. So let's assume that we have this data set and we will have log in our data. Just so we had is head, it just show you the first 6 rows, and here's the dimension of our data. Dimension, we have 10 rows, 4 columns let's see, and 10. If you would like to increase the head, just to show you the his what head data set n equal, let's see, 10. So you will have, it will show you 10 examples. Yeah. So now let's check if data has null values. If it's false, yeah, it's sound good. If false. Now we have true here. So true, it means our data set has missing value in 5 and 9. As you can see here, it's na and na, and age and salary. To handle this, let's see here, just to sum up how many missing data we have. How many fields are missing? It's 2, and here's the percentage of the missing value. Now one way to remove or to handle the missing value is to remove the rows. Let's see if we remove the rows. So in this case we will have only, we remove 10, we remove 2, it means we have only 8, and it's, as you can see, 5 is removed and 7 is also removed. So but assume that you have a big you have a data set and missing values are somehow very large, let's say large. So if you remove the rows of missing values, you will just finally will have small data set, which is not enough for training or building a model. So one way to do it is to replace this value with any value you would like. So let's see if you would like to replace it with sum, like to replace it with mean, to replace it with, yeah, we have all the sum, and to replace it with maximum, minimum, etc. It depends on what you are doing, what you would like to do. So let's see, for example, here we have the age. My keyboard, it's dead. So this is our age. Here's this missing value. So if we just sum up and replace the null value, we only have this one. It's not a good idea to replace the null value with some of these. So if we do it for the me, you will have this one, yeah, 38.778. This is the mean, and also the sum, and here's the maximum value. You will take the maximum value and replace it. The maximum value is 50. You will replace the null value with this one, and also the minimum, replace it with 35. Now after deciding which, just as advised, just use the mean. Mean, it's not a good idea, you can use median, but let's assume we use mean. So now age data, it means $sign this one, it gives you the number of columns. The columns, yeah, it's not number of columns, just the columns. and you can select to show the columns, and yeah, it replaces it here. There's another method. It's just without these functions. You can do it like this. Let's start trade the data again, because we have small data, so it's easy. It's okay to read it. Trade CSV again, but you have a big data. Don't read it again. So in the next feature, in the next tutorial, I will show you how to read the big file, CSV file in R. So let's see, for example, we would like to see which is null data set, which age is null. So here's show us the index, index. The index is 7. So compute the mean of this age. If you see mean now, it's 83. Replace the age of the index 7 with M, and this one it could be, if you have different missing value or different cells are missing, you will replace it just only with one command. There is no for in Python, there is no while loop, you didn't need it. It's also factorized, all of this factorized. So the next step, as you see here, let's see data set. As you can see, there's a gap between salary and age. It's here 7,000 and here 44. So one step to do it for before machine learning, you have to scale your data. So, and this age and this salary has to be in in the same scale. Let's see. So assume that we have this function. The function, I think you know, is x minus the minimum divided by max minus the minimum. So it's just convert your data, this age for example, into between 0 and 1, and let's do it just to see. Yeah, as you can see here, our data is now it's between 0 and 1. This is 1 and here's 0, and let's do it for the whole data set and see data set. Wow, what's going on? Uh, okay, I got it. Yeah. We have to replace the missing value, because we have a salary missing value. So just let's copy and paste. It's the best way to do it. Oh, salary and replace. Oh, my keyboard is dead. Okay, let's do it in this way. Main data set salary. Now to remove, it's true. Yeah, this mean this one to compute the mean, but you have to remove the null values. So let's do it. What's that? This has to be capital, sorry. If we data set. Now alles gut. Everything now is okay. Replace salary dataset. Yeah, salary is replace it. Now which is let's be sure that dataset is for, yeah, salary is now okay. So compute the salary. View. Dataset. Yeah, it's already replaced T. Sorry for this missing. Now just do this and see dataset. Yes, now your data, it's all columns are in 0 and 1. That's it. Sorry for this mistake. See you again.